Hello everyone, I am Rupal Patel in class 4th from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today I am going to tell about plateaus. Let's start. A piece of land that has steep slopes and flat top is called a plateau. It has mostly rocky areas and called a tableland. The surface of the plateau is not always smooth. It is rough and rocky. The Deccan Plateau of India extends over thousands of kilometers. Deccan Plateau is also called the Peninsular Plateau of India. The Titan Plateau is the world's highest plateau. It is also called the roof of the world. In India, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are important states of plateau. The plateau is also called the storehouse of minerals. Plateau has many waterfalls. The black soil of plateau is fertile for growing cotton and sugarcane. This way of plateau is very important for us. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sai Puri Goswami from class 4th, Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today's my topic is Peninsular Plateau. Let's start. A raised area with steep slopes and flat top is called a plateau. It is mostly rocky area and is also called a tableland. The Peninsular Plateau covers most of the Central and South India. The Central Highlands comprise two plateaus, the Malwa Plateau in the west and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. The Malwa Plateau is bounded by Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Vindhyas in the south. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is in eastern region of India and covers the largest part of Jharkhand and parts of Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. Chota Nagpur Plateau is a storehouse of minerals. Deccan Plateau is also called the Great Peninsular Plateau. It covers the largest part of Peninsular Plateau. The height of this plateau ranges from 100 meters in the north to 1000 meters in the south. The eastern Ghats are comparatively lower and are cut by the rivers coming from the western Ghats. The Godavari is the longest river of the Deccan Plateau. Thank you.
My name is Dakshita. I teach in class 4th, Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today I will present here topic by plateau. A raised area with slopes and flat top is called plateau. There are many plateaus. Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau are once part of the central part in south. It is triangular in shape. The Peninsular Plateau is the smallest by peaks on all sides. Aravalli Hills in the northwest, the Raj Mahal in the north is the western end in the east and the Western Ghats in the west. Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is called the Great Peninsular Plateau. Plateau is ranged in 1 in the north to 1000 in the south. It is bounded by Western Ghats and Eastern Hills. The greatest is the longest river of Deccan Plateau, Central Highland. The Central Highland is comprised two peninsula, the Malwa Plateau. The Malwa south, the main crops in the plateau is cotton, wheat, oilseeds, often in the major cities in this region. Chotanagpur Plateau in the Keking are large. The most Jharkhand and Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh are plateau is Brahmaputra